Alright, we're on our way to Blauvelt, New York to do another install. There's Carter and Sleeping Beauty's back there somewhere. I don't know where the hell she is. But we're going to have to wake her up soon. We're only 6 miles away. But 2 miles from our exit, it was nice and smooth, and then we so much standstill traffic. This is the third light cycle that we're sitting here. So we'll see you when we get out to the job site. Alright, until then. Alright guys, well, we made it to Blauvelt. I think that's how you pronounce it. I was able to back the trailer and actually pretty close to where the bar is going to sit from the road anyway. But it took 2.5 hours to get here. Sleeping Beauty over there slept the entire way. Thank God she wasn't in the front seat as my navigator again. From the Carolinas, she fell asleep while I'm trying to navigate. But anyway, we're here. We're going to try and thatch this roof, small roof. We're going to start thatching it on the ground, see how far we get. See how heavy it gets as we go. But, all right, well, until the next video. Not much to see here just yet. All right, in the next video. Tiki Kev out. All right, guys, here we are in, it's pronounced Blauvelt, right? Blauvelt. So, this is the bar you guys have been seeing in the shop for quite a while. It's finally out and it's completely installed. How do you like it?
Oh, I love it.
Okay, good.
Love it. Oh my gosh,
you know,
it's my dream.
You know that's evidence, right?
Oh, I love it, love it, love it.
All right.
Awesome.
All right, that's awesome. All
Wait
right.
to drink.
Well,
oh my gosh. So the crowning touch to our new backyard is this Tiki Bar from Tiki Kev. So excited. Quality work, beautifully done. Can't wait.
All right, you heard it, folks. Time to order your Tiki Bar. All right, let me show you guys around. But before we do that, who built this? Yeah, Tiki Kev. I don't know where the crew went. I think they went into the bathroom. We got a 2.5, 3 hour drive home. But this one has cabinets, and I'm staring into the sun, so I don't know if you can see this, but this has your basic cabinets, and they're going to plug the bar in. It's got some rope lighting under there. And we have the Endura Reed Viva 3.0 synthetic thatch for the roof. And this is a 6x4. No stools on this one. They're not sure what they want to do yet. So, but this was a quick install. We got here about 8:30 and it's noon now. So we're pretty much done. Oh, there's Carter. Michelle in the bathroom. Yep. We all closed up. Everything ready to go. You walked around, made sure there's no trash, no nails. Okay. All right, well, there you have it, everyone. Love to hear your comments. You know, I really appreciate them. All right, from Blauvelt, New York, Tiki Kev out.